Hi everyone, how to make your Windows PC or laptop sounds much better, especially on wireless headphones and speakers. I have two alternatives for you. The first one is FXSound. You download this tool. Keep in mind that this tool will require administrator privilege on your laptop, so you cannot do this on your work laptop, for example. After you download, you can specify your equalizer, ambience, and so on. So this is, for example, the EQ that I use for my Sony XM5. As you can see, the problem with Sony headphones are the narrow soundstage, so we can make it a little bit wider by adjusting the ambience and the surround sound right here. And then for my personal usage, I don't listen to high bass tracks, so I'm lowering down the bass here, particularly because I'm listening to ballads and jazz music. So I'm lowering down the bass by a lot right here, but slightly increase the treble and lower down the mids. So this is the setting for my Sony XM5. And then for example, for my JBL soundbar, I'm setting it like this. I need a little bit of surround sound. I can do bass boost for this one because this is an external speaker, so it doesn't tend to make me fatigue for long listening. And second, if you don't have the administrator privilege, you can download Firefox and then download this extension, which is sound effects. So the idea here is to adjust your EQ as well as add some reverb to the sound. This is also very good. So you go to the setting of this extension. So you can see something like this. I would recommend you to add a little bit of impulse response, which makes your sound a little bit wider by adding a reverb effect. So for this one, I typically set it to the minimum, which is 0.1, and I set it to the large hall. And then on the delay, I add some reverb to the sound, and then you can select reverb on. Just add a very subtle reverb on there on the minimal setting, like so. And then lastly, you scroll down a bit and then you check the auto enable URLs. Basically, this is the list of prefixes of websites. So the first one is YouTube right here. You can add the second one. For example, if you want music.youtube, you specify it like this one. And then after you're done with all that, reload the page as said in the description. You can start to open the web page and listen to the audio whether it's changing for you. And another thing to mention is that under this sound effect plugin, the equalizer seems to not work for me. So typically what I'll do, I'll go to the third option that I'm going to show you. If you have a wireless headphone, then you can go to the app and then adjust the EQ from there. So this is the particular equalizer setting that I use for my Sennheiser Momentum 4. So I decrease the bass, which is the second slider from the left right there, and just slightly decrease the sub bass, which is the first slider from the left, while increasing also the treble. So do check your respective headphone app. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.